Welcome to our channel. This is the returning channel, and 247, that is the nickname. My real name is Alfred Kojo Mensah. I think today we are here at Tema. We are around the Committee for neighborhood. Our returning program wants to now introduce the streets of Ghana to you, and there are many for us to show to you. But right now here we are at Tema, and Tema is in communities. We have Committee 1 up to Committee 25. But today we are not starting from the Committee 1 because the Committee 1 is the center, and definitely we'll be going there the next time. But right now I'm talking to you, we are at Committee 4. That's the Committee 4 neighborhood. We just want you to know some parts of Ghana and how does it look like. When we say Tema, meaning Tema is close to the ocean where our biggest spot is. So even people decorate their houses with some sort of boat styling or some ship styling, and that's exactly what you are seeing. For you to know that this is a coastal area, so we are right here at Tema. Just take a little stroll and see what we have here at Tema. I think all what I needed from you is to just love our channel, subscribe and share, and there's nothing to worry about. Because we always want to bring you the best, to educate you wherever you are going, to know your direction. So we are just in one of the streets of Tema, and that is Committee 4. So, and I told you it started from Committee 1 to 25, and so there are a lot to see. We are just around Committee 4 here. Let's see what we can see from here. One thing I think you will never ever forget or regret is to be with the returning channel, because the returning channel is one of the hottest channels now to educate you, bring you home successfully, let you have wherever you want to stay peacefully, lovely, without any obstruction. And the best station, the best channel to be with is the returning channel. So exactly that is what you are seeing. We are still at Tema. We are just on the street. There are a lot of facilities here. We have the port. We have many things going on here, but it takes time for us to take you through. But now we just want to show you the street, how Tema Street look like. I think we are not going to do it only Tema. We'll be going to Sprinters, we'll be going to Osu, we'll be going to Dansoman, we'll be going to Kaneshi, we'll be going to Odoko, the magazine, we'll come to Abosokai. There are a lot of places to visit when you are in Ghana, and there are different types of business. No matter sort of business you want to involve yourself, trust me, you'll get it. So here, we are just having a stroll at Tema, and let's see what Tema have for us. It's still part of Tema Committee 4. Just imagine if you are trying to take it from Committee 1 into 25. But you know what? With our returning program, we are going to get all live. We are going to bring you from Committee 1 into 25. You are going to get everything. as it's supposed to be. Our channel always have the best education for you. The returning channel, I think, is the best, and you always just have to be with us. And we are just doing the street introduction, and trust me, you have nothing to regret being with the returning channel. My name is Alfred Kojovinsan, the baddest presenter
nationwide. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Education, the Ghana Education Service, GBC, and supported by USAID.
Different things goes on here, different activities goes on. I think it will take a time. I will come over to come and take a look at this glass shop. I think they are also doing some glass work. There are lots, you know, and our channel is to bring all to your doorsteps. You have nothing to worry, just be with us. The returning channel, the best channel you can ever have, and the hottest on YouTube now. What sort of buildings or houses do you have here in Tema? I think we'll come to that point too. But for the meantime, we are only doing street shots for you to know where we are now and what is going on here at Tema. And as you can see, the place looks very quiet, very, very quiet place. And just, we are still only on one community. That's the community 4. I observe from here, this whole street look the same. I've walked almost 11 minutes now, and the whole street still look the same. That is Tema, because the story behind Tema is that Tema was built by the former president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and we all know this man is a man of serious and very great ideology. That's my boy. What is your name? Wow. Yes, and that is Tema for you. It's been the case. The people are lovely here, and this is just a working path here at Tema. Well, my lovely viewers, that is some part also you can see. And here is Tema, Tema Community 4. I've actually walked almost 16 minutes now, and I'm just doing a little introduction.